अबकारी खात्याच्या मोले गुदावांतल्यान सोऱ्याच्यो बाटल्यो चोरून व्हेले खातीर 7 संशयितांक कुळे पुलिशेन अटक केल्या. वेंचणुकेच्या काळान जप्त केल्लो सोरो ह्या गुदावांत दवरिल्लो आशिल्लो. आरडीएक्स ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
On 7 June 2019, we had received a complaint from Excise Sub-Inspector Shamba Naik stating that a theft has been taken place in their godown located at Collem behind RTO checkpost, wherein some unknown culprit committed theft of liquor cases. So, in this behalf, we had registered an offence against unknown accused person, and through the reliable sources and from our intelligence, we have detected the case by arresting 7 accused persons. One accused person from Collem and 6 accused persons from the Usgaon, who were nabbed within 8 hours from Usgaon. So it was a hectic effort done by our staff and valuable supervision given by our SP South and SDPO Vasco, who is holding an additional charge of SDPO Ponda. So we have recovered liquor cases worth around 1,63,000.
Around how many persons?
We have arrested 7 persons.
Those are locals or?
Those are actually outsiders, native of outside, but they were staying at, 6 persons were staying in Usgaon and 1 person was staying at Collem.